Hey everyone, Myrna here, Swati Computer Chick. Welcome to my channel. So much has happened since the last time I saw you guys. It's been a month, I know, and I got rid of my crutches and my leg brace. I've had a broken femur for months, stuck at home. I'm still kind of stuck at home, but I'm hoping in the next 3 months I can start back at the gym. I cannot wait to get my life back. And also, I have moved. I moved to a beautiful, peaceful place here on the island, and I have an office now. And as you can see, I'm not moved in yet, but next time you see me, I will be moved in with things on the wall. And it's all wonderful. It's all good, and my business is growing wonderfully. I love it. And I'm here. You know, how many people can say that this is the dream job I never knew I always wanted? How many people can say that? I feel so blessed that I can say that, and I love my job. I absolutely love it. It doesn't even feel like work. So, speaking of work, let's dive right back in. Let's dive into Facebook ads today. We're going to talk about running a Facebook ad for your business, whether it's local or nationwide, online shopping, whatever it is, on a shoestring budget. So I'm going to walk you through that today, and we'll make it quick, keep it simple, and I'm going to tell you some tidbits along the way as we go. So here we go. This is my business page. And if you watched the last video, which was building your business page on Facebook, I talked about all these different features on Facebook that you get for free. This software you get to launch your business for free. I hope you go back and watch it because it's priceless and it's going to help you take your business to the next level. So here we go on Facebook ads, and this is the one. This is my pinned post, the one that tells about me and grabs their attention when they get to my page. And that one stays up there all the time. And then I post after that. And I usually I was in the personal growth business for over a decade. And for my personal growth website and coaching website I had back then, I built a lot of my own sayings with pictures and website address. And I post them to kind of self-help here as well. It's kind of nice to have fun things to talk about besides computers all the time, because we either love them or we hate them. I hate my days. I hate them too, but I have to be the one to figure it out. I can't call anybody. So here's the ad I have running right now for my business, and I keep it simple. In the line here, I don't put hashtags. I don't put hashtags in my ads, and I always use boost a post like this one here. This is what I choose. I always boost a post. For me, that's what works. Facebook gives you many different options, and we're going to get to that in a second. So this is a post I boosted, so I had to post first. And I keep it simple, eye attention grabbing. I make my own Facebook ads. I use all my own ads. I make my own Facebook and social media ads in Canva for free. I use the free version. I just started the trial version. I want to see what the difference is for all of you. And I might do a video on Canva one of these days as well, because I've used them for a long time. So this is the ad I'm running right now, and I'm already getting great feedback on it. It is November. I live on Pine Island, Florida, and it is a seasonal island. We live in Southwest Florida, so our population more than doubles in the wintertime, and they start trickling down in October. So when people start coming down for the winter in October, many of my customers too, and that's when I get the most feedback from my ads. There's a summertime too for local people, etc., etc. But I have to post according to what season we're in. So I did this one, and it's already got 13 clicks, and for me, that's enough. Because this is a local business I have. I can't handle 200 clicks, because if even half those people called me, I couldn't help them. It's just me. I have a small business. I'm hoping to expand soon, and that's just the way I run my ads. So again, according to whatever your business is. So this is the one I have running right now. So I would have had to post, when that post went up, I click boost post. So we're going to boost this post just for the fun of it, so you can see what that looks like. This is boosting the post. And it's great what they give you. Let me move my picture here so we can, there we go. So we can see what everything Facebook gives you. So this is the boosted post. This is what it would look like. This is what your ad would look like, and it says sponsored right there, so it's public. And where we start here is the button. This button for Messenger right here What do we want it to say? Do you want them to send you a message through Facebook? They give you a whole bunch of options. You can do no button, and it's completely blank at the bottom. You can do book now, which is what I do, and then I put a link to my book now page, request forms, where they can request an estimate, appointment, computer tune-up, or a website coach. If you're building your own website and you need somebody to call, we can help you get through it. We don't have to build your website for you, but we can help you get through it. So we do that as well. So I put this link in here, so when they click book now, they go right to where they have to fill out to request an appointment or an estimate first, whichever they'd like. And this is what it looks like. Looks nice, doesn't it? Looks very professional. So now the special ad category, this is something if any of these affect your business. It does not affect my business, so I have never looked too deeply into this. But if any of these things talk about what you're trying to promote, please check it out. So then we have to choose your audience. And I always pick my audience. For instance, in my business, I choose to target 38 to 65 plus ages. That seems to be who calls me, and that is my target demographic for me. And it automatically puts United States, so I'm doing a local business, so we want to take that out of there. So you're going to start adding your local city names. Bokeelia, St. James City, Florida. Both of these are on Pine Island, and then Matlacha is what you have to go through to get here, to get to our beautiful little island. Matlacha is pretty cool too. Matlacha, Florida. So that's all I'm going to target, and it gives you the estimated audience reach here. It's too broad, but we're going to get to the specifics here in a second. Here we go. So we're going to target, these are the people I'm going to target. I'm also going to add business admin, retirement community, different income demographics. I'm going to add all these small business owners. There you go. And there's many different key items that you can add to make your ad unique and who you're marketing to. Remember that. That's the best part of this. So we're going to save the audience here. And this did say it's too broad, but once I'm going to show you. These three, it's going to target there we go. You can play with these later too, but I'm going to tell you, even though it says it's too broad, I have 3 cities in there that it's going to target. And this is the estimated daily results. And this is very true to form here. So we have that set. And for 23 days, for $30, estimated reach per day is 163 to 470 people, clicks 2 to 11. Those are the estimated in this targeting that you're building right now for your Facebook ad. That's what you should expect. Again, it's in theory based on their algorithm search engine thing they have built for you in the background. So keep it simple for yourself. You don't need to know all the background stuff, but just set what you need. And then you would click to boost the post. You would need to add your payment method in here as well. But you could, for instance, I want to show you how this works. The estimated results is, say we would just want to do $30 for 10 days. Okay, this brings you to 4 to 17 clicks, and it almost doubles how many people reach per day. So that, again, it's a shoestring budget, but it's on your budget, what you're willing to spend. Play with it. If you want to do $5 a day, play with it and see what kind of returns you have. Especially if you're doing a nationwide business where you want people to shop. Marketing, I've paid attention. I'm a I'm a Shark Tank fan, and I paid attention to so many business plans that 40% of their budget, 30 to 40% of their budget is marketing, and it depends on the audience you want. Like when I want to start boosting a post and go more nationwide for my remote business, then I'm going to want to change all these demographics except for my keywords, because it's still the same target audience I want to reach, but I want to do it nationwide and promote just my remote services. That works really well too. So you can see what you can do here is you can make it completely unique to you, whatever you want to do and who you want to target. And it's controllable. If any of you remember back when pay-per-clicks came out, how many people, I was not one of them, that got stuck in all of a sudden they had a $4,000 credit card bill because there was no controls on these clicks. And they learned the hard way back then of how valuable a click is. And that's why you pay per click. And Google that's another whole show in itself when you buy Google ads. And I might do a video on that as well and show you the details of what's behind that. That's more extensive. So we're going to keep it simple to Facebook. Facebook has billions of people on it. You can target your local community. It's where people go to find out their local community news. Maybe nothing else, and maybe just do some socializing with family and friends around the world. Keep it simple on Facebook. Don't hate. Just use it to your benefit and have fun with it. And same way with, your ads. Have fun with it because your audience wants to see your fun side. They want to be attracted to you. They want to think, oh, what's she about? She may be fun, but does she know what she's doing? I absolutely know what I'm doing, and they find that out the first time they meet me. And so put yourself out there. Take a chance. That's how you do a Facebook ad. If you have any questions, please send me an email to inquire@swaltycomputerchick.com. I'd be happy to get back to you. And if you like this video, if you found it helpful, you can buy me a cup of coffee. The link will be in the comments below, as well as we do remote services as well. The link will be there as well. So you have a good day. I look forward to seeing you soon. I'll have things on my wall next time. See you later.